Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, March 25th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Thank you for all those 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade scholars and parents that came by and picked up your mock star packets, so you'll be ready for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Also, today is the International Food Festival. Here in the parking lot, drive through, try some amazing food that's going to be cooked by our teachers, our leaders, and our team. So that is from 5 to 6 today, so I can't wait. Also, scholars, remember, every day counts, so come to school every day. Perfect attendance. For March, we're looking for the winner. See who gets that free pizza. Don't forget to remind your parents and you yourself, if you haven't done it, 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, fill out those family surveys. Fill out the surveys for your teachers. Say amazing things about your teachers. Also, remember, we have our food bundles that you can pick up for your families, and that's here at our campus on Mondays through Friday, 11 to 2, and our weekend bundles are on Fridays from 3 to 4. Again, we hope to see you at the International Food Festival today from 5 to 6 in our parking lot. Drive by safely, social distance, and we'll all be wearing our masks. So we'll see you then. We'll see you in the classroom. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!